Good morning, children. Today we learn how to solve story problems. First, we learn how to represent the information given in the problem with statements when we solve it. It is very interesting. Shall we begin? Look at Jani's apple shop. He sold 3,860, 2,343 and 1,847 apples on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday respectively. How many apples did he sell in all? Now, to understand the problem well and to know what statement to write, ask these questions. What is 3,860? What is 2,343? And what is 1,847? The answers to these questions will help us to form the statements for the solution. 3,860 are the number of apples sold on Monday. So we write the statement as apples sold on Monday is 3,860. 2,343 are the number of apples sold on Tuesday. So we write the statement as apples sold on Tuesday is 2,343. 1,847 are the apples sold on Wednesday. So we write the statement as apples sold on Wednesday is 1,847. Now let us add the numbers to get the answer. Thus, the total number of apples sold is 8,050. Jani sold 8,050 apples in all. Find the sum of the largest 3-digit number and smallest 4-digit number. Largest 3-digit number is 999. Smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Now we find the sum. We add from ones place. 9 plus 0 is 9. Now we add tens. 9 plus 0 is 9. Now we add hundreds. 9 plus 0 is 9. Now we move to the thousands place. In thousands place we have only 1. There is no other number to add. We write 1. Therefore sum is 1999. Write the greatest and smallest 4-digit number using all of the digits 6, 0, 8, 2. Find the sum of two numbers so obtained. Given digits are 6, 0, 8, 2. Remember children, we have to use these digits only once and write one greatest number and smallest number. Greatest number is 8,620. Smallest number is 2,068. Now we find the sum. Now we add from ones place. 0 plus 8 is 8. Write 8 under ones place. Now we add tens. 2 plus 6 is 8. Write 8 under tens place. Now we add hundreds. 6 plus 0 is 6. Write 6 under hundreds place. Now we add thousands. 8 plus 2 is 10. Therefore, sum is equals to 10,688. According to 2011 census, the population of 3 towns is 4,072, 1,598 and 1,272. Find the population of 3 towns. Now what is given in the problem? Population of 3 towns. Now what we should find? We have to find the total population of 3 towns. We write the statements as population of the first town is 4072. Population of the second town is 1598. Population of third town is 1272. Now we find the total population of the town. Now we add from ones place. 2 plus 8 plus 2 is 12. Write 2 under ones place. 1 carry to tens place. Now we add tens. 1 plus 7 plus 9 plus 7 is 24. Write 4 under tens place. 2 carry to hundreds place. Now we add hundreds. 2 plus 0 plus 5 plus 2 is 9. Write 9 under hundreds place. Now we add thousands. 4 plus 1 plus 1 is 6. Therefore, total population of the town is 6942. Now we do last problem. A number is 573 more than 8734. Find the number. First number is 8734. Other number is 573 more. Now how do we get other number? We have to add 573 to the first number, that is 8734. Now let us add. We add from ones place. 4 plus 3 is 7. Write 7 under ones place. Now we add tens. 3 plus 7 is 10. Write 0 under tens place. 1 carry to hundreds place. Now we add hundreds. 1 plus 7 plus 5 is 13. Write 3 under hundreds place. 1 carry to thousands place. Now we add thousands. 1 plus 8 is 9. Therefore, other number is 9307. Homework sums do in rough book.